This naturalrefrigerants.com article is being read by an automated voice. ATMO Europe, Zudek modernizes Italian brewery's 1.6 megawatt ammonia refrigeration system by J.O. Haraldson. Published December 18, 2025. To modernize an Italian brewery's 1.62 megawatts, 461 tons of refrigeration, ammonia-based refrigeration system, Italian manufacturer Zudek installed both an ammonia compression chiller and a heat-driven absorption chiller that produces 420 kilowatts, 119 tons of refrigeration, of cooling from previously wasted cogeneration heat. The details of the Brewery Pedavena facility update were presented by Jakob Terchon, Business Development Manager at Zudek, and Boris Sepic, Process Engineer at the brewery, in a presentation at the ATMO Europe Summit 2025. The event, organized by Atmosphere, was held November 24th to 25th in Padua, Italy. Atmosphere is the publisher of naturalrefrigerants.com, a natural gas-fueled combined heat and power (CHP) system. At the historic Brewery Pedavena facility, superheats water for processing and generates electricity for the facility. Before the update, the heat produced from cooling the cogenerator at over 90 degrees Celsius, 194 degrees Fahrenheit, was released into the atmosphere. The old refrigeration system, with an overall COP 3.6, used ammonia compressors manufactured in the 1960s by Swiss company Sulzer, supplemented by an F-gas chiller to produce minus 6 degrees Celsius, 21 degrees Fahrenheit glycol. With the old system needing improvements, Brewery Pedavena sought to increase the overall efficiency of the facility's heating and cooling production, Terchon said. The brewer also wanted to reduce the plant's ammonia charge by using cutting-edge technology equipment. The new installation, the custom-designed system, harnesses waste heat from the cogenerator at 92 degrees Celsius, 198 degrees Fahrenheit, to produce 420 kilowatts of cooling at a glycol temperature of minus 6 degrees Celsius via Zudek's enzymatic absorption chiller, which rejects heat through a heat exchanger into a nearby river running at approximately 14 degrees Celsius, 57 degrees Fahrenheit. The enzymatic unit returns water back to the cogenerator at roughly 80 degrees Celsius, 176 degrees Fahrenheit, and supplies water at 24 degrees Celsius, 75 degrees Celsius, to a Zudek Ecomatic compression chiller, which delivers 1.2 megawatts, 341 tons of refrigeration, of cooling to the facility at a glycol temperature of minus 6 degrees Celsius. The Ecomatic unit supplies water at 27 degrees Celsius, 81 degrees Fahrenheit, to the brewer's Mocha exchanger for fast wort cooling, with the product receiving water at 20 degrees Celsius, 68 degrees Fahrenheit, and returning it at 14 degrees Celsius. To complete the circuit, the Mocha exchanger supplies water at 22 degrees Celsius, 72 degrees Fahrenheit, to the heat exchanger connected to the river, where the water is finally returned at 20 degrees Celsius. The benefits. With this project, we reduced the ammonia charge by 2,000 kilograms, Sepic said, adding that between the two chillers, the brewery has cut its electricity consumption in half, with the CHP plant operating at 90% efficiency. The absorption chiller turns 700 kilowatts, 199 tons of refrigeration, of heat capacity into 420 kilowatts of cooling capacity, giving it a thermal copy of 0.6. However, with only one small pump for the water cycle and one for the river water, the enzymatic unit, commissioned in 2022, operates with an electrical COP of 30, Terchon said. The plug-and-play Ecomatic compression chiller, commissioned in 2025, operates with a COP of greater than 5, increasing the cooling efficiency by 35% compared to the old system, according to Sepic. With economic support from Italy's Industry 5.0 tax credit for energy efficiency, the payback on the Zudek ammonia system is less than 2 years, Sepic said. Going global. In March, the ammonia refrigeration manufacturer established Zudek International, a new subsidiary based in Cambridge, United Kingdom. The subsidiary, managed by Ivan Zudek, former partner at Zudek, is selling equipment directly to contractors and end users in the UK. The company plans to expand overseas, with Terchon citing Canada, the US, and Oceania as potential markets. He noted that the manufacturer has already sold equipment outside of Europe. Quotable: "Instead of installing another system, it's important to exploit all the energy sources available on a site," Terchon said. Ultimately, the greenest, coolest energy is the one you are not consuming.